I'm Tara Monster and I like to make things. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. And give a quick like if you enjoy this video. If you love DIY, join my Facebook group where you can get new projects posted daily. There's a link below in the description. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make over an old t-shirt or an old long sleeve shirt with hearts so that you can go from this into this. Look at those cool hearts. If you want to make this fun shirt to get in the mood for Valentine's Day, let's get crafting. Supplies you will need for this project are a ruler or a tape measure, a fabric pen or piece of chalk, a regular pen, a piece of paper, some scissors, and of course, your shirt. You'll want to make a heart shape. I put a link below in the description for one that you can just print out, or you can make a heart shape the way that I did, and that is I just had a heart on my phone and I put this piece of paper over it and I traced it. Your heart is going to be about 2 inches wide at the widest part. Cut out your heart. I find it's easiest to do that by folding it in half and cutting both sides so they are perfectly even. After you've cut out your heart, turn your shirt inside out and lie it flat on the table. Grab your ruler so that we can measure where the center of the shirt is so we know where to place our first heart. My shirt, seam to seam, is 13 inches. So I want the exact middle of that, which is 6.5 inches. Walking the streets like a model, leading the way and they follow. I'm turning it up, burn it up like a sauna. Let's put our heart on our mark and figure out about how high we want it. I want to have a little bit of space between the collar and where the hearts are, but not too much. I think this is going to look really nice. Go ahead and trace your heart all the way around with your chalk or fabric marker. And this has a really wide neck, wider than like a regular t-shirt. So I'm just gonna do a set of 3 hearts right in the front. If you have a higher crew neck shirt, you could easily do 3 or 5. 5 means you would just have 1 more on each side going all the way up to the collar. But I'm just gonna do 3. I'm just trying to get a visual here for where they're going to be. I'm gonna put a little mark. And then go ahead and trace these hearts as well. Truth is, I'm a mess, just trying to get by. But I still got fight. But I still got bite. It's about to be my time. I'm working on it, 'cause I want moves like. Next, we want to cut them out. I'm just going to cut through the top layer only to put hearts on the front of my shirt. But if you wanted to get really fun, you could cut through both layers and then have matching set of 3 hearts on the back of your shirt. But I'm just going to do the front. To cut this out, you want to make sure you're only lifting up that first front layer of fabric. And you'll pinch it and just make a cut in the middle. That's the easiest way to be able to get in and cut your heart. I still got bite. It's about to be my time. I'm gonna be There's our first one. And do the same thing with the next one. Now that all 3 hearts are cut out, it's time to add some hearts to the sleeves. To do the sleeves, fold your shirt in half and make sure to match up your sleeves as close as possible. You're going to make the hearts on the top of the sleeves. Now you're going to take your heart stencil and apply it to the sleeve, but you're only going to draw 1/2 of your heart because we're going to cut both sides at the same time. There. I'm going to do a total of 3 hearts down the sleeve. There, now it's time to cut them out. And we are going to cut through both sleeves at the same time. So go ahead and cut through both. Make sure that it's pressed really flat so that they stay together. To be my time, I'm working on it, 'cause I want moves like whoa, hella style, confidence, I want swag like hey, slaying in every way. I'm working all day on that, don't need no help, I'ma be just fine. I'm all about that grind, 'cause I wanna be that chick. 1, 2, 3. Let's open it up and see how it looks. That's looking really great. Let's turn it right side out. Let's go try it on. I hope you enjoyed today's video learning how to make this cute heart shirt. If you have any questions while working on your shirt, please put them in the comments below. I read all the comments and I'm happy to help you out. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, ring that bell and select all so that you can get notified when I make new content. I make a new video every week. Thanks for watching Terra Monster, and I'll see you in the next video. Rawr! Rawr! Into this! Look. Into this! I still don't know what I'm doing. Bye!